We develop. The technology industry needs. We keep. Hardworking people safe. We go beyond Korea, entering every industrial field around the world. The leader in hydraulic equipment. We are TECPOS. With strengthening the value of Korea's brand as our aim, we are building a foothold in the global market for Korean hydraulic equipment. TECPOS is a technology-linking trailblazer, rather than a follower, and is the first in the industry to earn both ISO and CE certifications, which proves the reliability of our products and our capacity to develop new technologies. Based on its decades of technological expertise, TECPOS is developing Korea's first aluminum cylinder and pump and rechargeable hydraulic equipment, and engaging in R&D on quality improvements, taking on challenges with a commitment to unparalleled quality. As Korea's leading hydraulic equipment manufacturer, TECPOS is driving growth in a variety of industries from shipbuilding and railways to excavation and aviation, meeting demands in the field and speeding up industrial development while assuring safety. Showcasing trusted technologies and top-quality products that satisfy customer demand are the values TECPOS pursues. The value of TECPOS hydraulic equipment does not lie solely in the fact that it is very good equipment. It also lies in our commitment to industrial safety and the future of sustainable industrial development. TECPOS trusted technology, superior quality, and a leader in social value creation. TECPOS.